If the student isn't already a contact, you can simply add them by looking up their handle or their email. When you find the student, I recommend sending a quick message. So don't just request to connect. In this case, send an emoji. I love the wave one that's automatically there. And then I send a nice, happy message. You want to set the tone so that they're excited. A lot of times, if it's just text, it can be a little, kind of cold. So I like to warm it up. Now, after it changes to great, you can now start chatting. It means they've seen and accepted your invitation. About a minute before a lesson, I like to send a quick message of I'm ready when you are. Again, I add a smiley face because text alone is hard to read tone. Now, this allows the student to know that you're going to call, so it's less jarring, or if they're running late, they can let you know. Now, when they do reply, I like to acknowledge that I've seen and read their message just by reacting with an emoji. It's quick and it doesn't have to be as text heavy. Now, here you can call directly an audio call, which is what I'm showing you here, or a video call, which was the camera icon. So this depends on your student's preference. I recommend classes with video call, but if your student is in a country where their connection is not that great, sometimes audio might be the only option that you have. Now, this is why your profile photo matters so much. When you're doing audio calls, that's all the student is going to see. So that's why your photos should be professional and clear. Switching between video and audio during the lesson is really simple with the icons. Now, here's the best tip ever. When you click off of Skype, you're going to see a smaller video of the student pop up. Drag it to the center and place it directly under your webcam. This is going to help you have really natural calls because we tend to look at the video when the other person's talking and forget to look at the webcam. So what they see is you looking distracted, looking to the left or right, and they might perceive you as not paying attention even though you really are. Now, if for whatever reason, maybe you know you're about to sneeze or cough, you can simply mute your sound by clicking on the icon and then click on it again to activate the microphone. You can do the same with the video. Again, if you need to cough and you don't want them to see you, or you need to step away from your computer for a moment. This is an excellent option so they can just see your photo.